Another good one to use for your Google Classroom or even to put into your Seesaw is Screencastify. That's how I record these screen captures. So you're going to Google search for Screencastify. It's going to send you to this particular screen. You can see I already have it installed, but it just takes a couple seconds to install and shows you how to run things over here. So what I do is when I want to screencast something, click on the Screencastify. It comes up here with my options and I run myself through it. Then I start pressing record. You can see it does the double click and stuff for your mouse. It helps you. You can go around with your mouse and see things. It might be a cool way to do something on something like Google Jamboard. So Jamboard is a virtual whiteboard. You can see all your recent jams that are right here. If you want to do a new one, we do a new one. Here it comes. And on here, we can do a number of different things. We can select different markers and pens. We can draw in real time. We can erase certain areas. Like I said, there's a variety of pens and markers that you can use. And I'm just using my mouse to draw things here. All right, we can also add a sticky note. So look at this. We can change the color if we want of it, save it. And now we can take that little deal and put it around here. We can rotate that if you want, so you can use it for labeling things. You can insert pictures, so you can do that from your Google Drive if you want. All right, insert pictures onto your screen. This is actually kind of cool. This is a laser pointer, so while you're presenting, you see how it kind of disappears? So you can present things and it'll disappear while you're going. So it'll save that. You can actually share this out to your class. You can put on your Google Classroom and people can come in and you can work collaboratively on the Jamboard. Title it up. And away you go. So that's Jamboard, and that's how you use Screencastify. At the end, of Screencastify, you come down here at the bottom, pause the recording, and then you tell it to stop. And then you can upload it right to your Google Classroom. It'll give you an option from that. But I can't show you that because it's going to stop recording.